in this video, I will show you two important shortcuts which will help you in navigating Google Chrome faster while researching. So open Google and type murder, then give a space, then type rape, then give a space, then type live law and press enter. We can see rape and murder, rape and murder, rape and murder, rape and murder, death for barbaric rape, rape and murder. So suppose you want to read all this article, so then click on the first link and we can read the article, then go back, then click on the second link, then we will read the article and then go back, then click on the third link, then we will read the article and go back. So instead opening one link at a time, we can open all the link in the parallel tab by pressing Ctrl button and clicking on each of the link. So let's press Ctrl button on the keyboard and click on the first link. We can see a parallel tab is opened. Then again press Ctrl key and click on the second link. Again a parallel tab is opened. Press Ctrl button and click on the third link. Again a parallel tab is opened. Press Ctrl button and click on the link. Again a parallel tab is open. So in this way we can open parallel tab as much as you want just by pressing Ctrl key on the keyboard and clicking on the link. Now let's see another trick. So click on the first tab and suppose you want to read this article on a new window, then press shift and then click on the link. You can see a new window is appeared. So in this way we can open a new window just by pressing shift key on the keyboard and clicking on the link. So we have seen two examples in this video, and this both example will help you in navigating Google Chrome faster. So ultimately we will do research faster.